Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coach Hans. So, meron akong i-share na secret sa inyo. Basically, when I found this out, ang laki ng pinagbago ng mga quality ng video ko. I'm not sure kung napansin nyo na, but basically, nung ginamit ko to, nung binili ko to, grabe, napakalaking pagbabago yung nakita ko sa video. And yung ibang mga subscribers ko actually noticed that as well, so nag-comment na sila about it. So isang gadget lang, and it can immediately level up the quality of your videos. Maraming klase nga to, mura, may mabibili ka nga itong less than 100 pesos, meron ka mabibili nito ng more than 1,000 pesos. So iba-ibang klase. And you can buy this almost anywhere from online. So ako, nakita ko siya online sa Lazada. And basically, what that is this one. I'm sure nakita nyo na siya. This is a lapel mic. So, basically, I'm using my cellphone sa pag-create ng mga video ko so cellphone lang ang gamit ko. So nakasalalay lang ako sa either yung earphones ng kasama ng Samsung phone ko, or yung actual mic sa cellphone. So hindi masyado maganda yung quality kasi it captures a lot of the audio sa background. But nung gumamit ako ng lapel, iba. You can watch my earlier videos, yung sa Marikina versus dun sa NLEX. You would see the big difference, and that alone is already worth the price of the lapel. Ako, nung binili sa akin to ng asawa ko, this is around 650 something. Naka-sale siya noon. Ang original price niya is 1,500 something, and then 60% off plus shipping sa Lazada. So umabot ng 700 pesos yung binayaran namin. Pero mabilis lang kasi one day lang siya. Binili namin ng gabi, kinaumagahan nakuha na namin agad. And it is worth the money. So para sa ating mga baguhan sa YouTube, I think me buying this is one of the biggest and worth it na investment na ginawa ko sa pagbili ng lapel. Because obviously, napakaganda nung audio, mas malinaw na siya. And I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna remove the lapel so you can see and compare the difference. So yan, wala na yung lapel. So medyo parang lata or something yung tunog. So this is basically just the microphone directly from my phone without the lapel. So ito na yung lapel. So kakabit natin siya ulit. Ayan, so I'm using the lapel again. So nakita nyo naman yung difference. So yun lang, 600 pesos or 700 pesos. And again, may mabibili ka na ito na 100 pesos lang. May nakita nga ako 97 pesos, pero hindi yun ang binili ko kasi manggagaling pa ng China. So specifically, bumili kami sa local. But I'm sure, ito pala, papakita ko pala yung brand, yung box. So mukhang China rin naman siya, pero galing sa local seller. So let's support local sellers para mas marami sila. Of course, local, support each other. So mura lang. Yun. And that's it. Yun lang, oh. Investment. And then you can already make quality videos. I'm sure if you make improvements or gawan mo to ng dead cat, pwede mo siyang gamiting shotgun mic. You can also use it outside if meron. And for this particular one that I purchased, it's 6 meters long, so maganda siya. Hindi ko naman magagamit yung 6 meters long niya kasi I'm just using a mobile device. So I'm always gonna hold the phone, and if I'm gonna be too far, siguro masyado na ako maliit, pero still, having that 6 meters na lapel is very good. And it comes with this module that also attaches to your body. Yan. Kasi pwede siya sa camera, may switch dyan. Yan, pwede sa camera, sa smartphone. So, yun. That's one of the secrets. That's one of the things that I learned dito sa pag-YouTube ko. Lapel. If you improve the audio of your video, almost instantaneously, parang dodoble yung quality ng video nyo. Of course, marami pang paraan para mas gumanda ang video nyo. One of them is lighting. So that's another thing that I'm gonna look forward to investing. Kung meron kayong suggestion sa mga lighting equipments that I can use indoor, yung mura lang pero good quality, feel free to leave a comment or hook me up sa mga sellers na yun. Again guys, this is Coach Hans. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Once we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna raffle off the Adidas Madbound shoes, the Remax portable Bluetooth speaker, and the Starbucks porcelain tumbler. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Imbitahan nyo na yung mga friends nyo, yung family nyo, kamag-anak nyo, lahat, pati kapitbahay nyo. Subscribe para we can already hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And sa mga next raffle, I'm gonna inform you guys about future raffles sa mga susunod kong video. So hit that notification bell, that bell icon para malaman nyo kung kailan ako mag-upload ng susunod kong video. So you can be up to date kung kailan tayo ulit magkakaroon ng raffle. Again, this is Coach Hans. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.